Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is ICent and this is ICent Cyber. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing the unboxing of a professional hair clipper. So professional in this sense means that this clipper is the type that is being used in barber's shop. And this particular one is from GTS company and the model number is 6008. Okay, the clipper is rechargeable and wireless or cordless. Okay. And another thing that I would like to point out is the fact that I was using one before and it's from the company Kiki, right? But the type I went and got is balding clipper. Balding means mala, okay, in our local parlors. So it's either you use it to barb mala or you use it for carving, okay? So, but I didn't know because there is this adjustable side lever that is at the side of most clippers, okay, and that one doesn't have it, so that made it a balding clipper, which I didn't know because I'm not a professional barber. Of course, I'm saying this for those of you that will go and buy your personal clipper. Note the difference. If you're not a professional barber, you probably will not know. I feel I should point that out. But anyway, this clipper is wireless, like I said, and the battery can last for up to 180 minutes and the charging time is 3 hours, okay. And this is a professional hair clipper, like I have stated earlier on, but I am buying it for personal use. I just want something that is durable. You don't need me to start telling you the importance of getting your own personal clipper with all the infections flying around. And so yeah, that's basically it. And yeah, that's basically it. If you're a returning viewer, kindly like, comment, and share this video. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, as that will help the channel grow. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.